brought to us by Infinite Communities, Emirates Law Philippines, and the Filipino Channel in partnership with Viva One. I would also like to welcome our Platinum sponsors joining us today. We have Video Luna. We also have Emirates and Philippine Airlines, Miss Crab Jewelry, and GCash. Na, ang GCash mismo ay magkakaroon ng grand launching nila bukas na po yan sa darating na 126 Philippine Independence Day celebration dito sa Kalayaan sa 2024. Nakaka-excite talaga ang lahat ng ating mga partners and sponsors na magbibigay kasi lahat ng event bukas na bukas. Sa mga kaibigan naman natin sa mundo ng media, we have of course the Filipino Channel, Expat Media, the Filipino Times, the Global Filipino Magazine, and Lord W, the Premier Magazine. Salamat sa pagpapaunlak sa invitasyon namin sa inyo sa Kalayaan 2024. And of course, ay mga magagaling at punong-puno ng creativity and talent ng mga social media influencers dito sa United Arab Emirates. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo dito sa press conference natin. And to start off, audiences, are we ready?
Yes!
Once again, audiences, are we ready?
Yes!
Wonderful, and I'm sure our audiences watching us live are as ready as we are, so please help me welcome. I'm very excited to have with us the talented and dynamic Krisha Viaje from Viva One! Naghihingi ng palakpak din ang ating inang bayan, Josie. Alright, Krisha, welcome to Dubai.
Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat.
Awesome. So I'm sure that our audiences here in our event, marami silang mga tanong para sa iyo. Pero ako na yung mga Krisha, no? My question to you is this your first time here in Dubai?
Yes, first time po.
Alright, kamusta naman so far yung experience mo dito sa medyo mainit na pagpinamundo?
Kahit mainit, sobrang saya. Kasi marami na kami napuntahan. Since the first day namin dito and second day, marami na akong nakitang places na tourist attraction talaga dito sa Abu Dhabi and then sa Dubai.
Wonderful. So it's like a breath of fresh air talaga because I heard na maulan sa Pilipinas ngayon and ibang-iba yung klima dito sa UAE. So welcome. On behalf of the Filipino community dito sa Dubai and Northern Emirates, I'd like to welcome you.
Thank you so much. Feel ko naman po yun kasi nalakad kami sa Dubai Mall. Marami yung naririnig na nagsasalitang Tagalog, anywhere. So it feels like home.
It does. Now, alright, Krisha, our audiences here have so many questions para sa iyo. So, I'm gonna open the floor now for anyone who wants to ask a few questions for Miss Krisha today. Just please raise your hands and our ushers will hand you their mic.
I think Kimi is ready. Super ready siya, di ba?
I love your outfit.
Sorry ka.
Joke lang, hindi naman. Ang tanong ng bayan, nag-survey ka, ay, joke. Ang tanong ko lang is, ano yung qualities do you think ng, how to be the next superstar?
I believe.
Miss Universe!
Actually, I don't think there's a formula for it. Personally sa akin, parang you do what you love and then kung maging superstar ka, it's a bonus. Kasi personally for me, I'm not doing this because I want to be a superstar. I am doing it because I love it. And I
Ano kaya tayo ng sagot? Feeling ko talaga, kumusta si mama? Pero yun lang po, salamat.
Thank you, Kimi. We have our next question.
I think si Miss Kai is ready. Hi! Welcome to Dubai. I am Kai
chairperson of the influencers here. Since you are here to celebrate kalayaan with us, at teacher ako by profession, bibigyan kita ng exam. Okay? Fill in the blank. Malaya na ako sa blank. Sa feeling niya, kaya tayo. Sa feeling or feeling? Thank you. Next, can I have orally approval? Nagbulit din siya eh.
Hi, good afternoon to everyone. Okay, so I'd like to ask this question to Madam Josie. Diba? Okay. Okay. So kanina pang pagdating namin ay ang lalaki na naman pinapakawalan nyo regarding the celebration for tomorrow's event. Ang lalaki ng mga brands in interview at ang lalaki ng mga celebrities, pangalan ng mga celebrities na dumating sa akin ngayon. Ano sa paligid, how do you feel right now that the tournament event is really promising? And ano sa paligid nyo ang kaibahan nito from the rest of the celebrations that you had in the past?
Actually, kung tatanungin, how do I feel right now? I feel so blessed because I have all of you. This is not just event. Walang ganun eh. You know, this is not just Infinite Communities event. This is not just Emerson Loves Philippines event. This is the event for the whole community. Kaya naman, parang kong sinasabi na iisa, alam mo yun, lagi na, I started doing Philippine Independence Day celebrations, I think 2015. And every year, nakikita ko, palaki ng palaki yun. And the reason why, it's because andyan kayo. Andyan kayo. I cannot do this alone. Hindi po pwedeng ganyan. It's always a team. For us to build a big world, kung ano man yun, we always need a team. Okay? So it's not, I cannot do it alone, of course. Ang kaibahan palagi is we always try to strive to do more. Like for example, this year, we have been, siguro the past years, 2 artists, 3 artists, but this year we have 4. We have 2 from Vivo 1, we have 2 from Filipino Channel. So yun palang malaking kaibahan na, di ba? And punong-puno, siksik-nagli ang ating stage. Ibig sabihin ng performances, tuloy-tuloy yan. And we have new family members. You know, the set of influencers that we have right now is more than 30. Parang kasama yan sa nagpaingay simula April pa lang, we have a 1-day celebration, ladies and gentlemen. However, ang exposure natin dito is March pa lang meron na tayong sunod-sunod. Okay? We have new family members. Family members when it comes to program. We have Sandbox Swap Meet, Tamiya. We have Mobile Legends, which we started last year. We have Korean Corner because we are in a very diversified nation. So, kailangan makita nila that we, the Filipino community, we are open to collaborate with anyone. So, meron tayong guest coming from Korea who will be on stage to perform something. We will have Indian presentation. So, ito ay ginagawa natin isa. Malay mo, next year, marami na tayong iba pang elemento na ibibigay sa stage. So, these are just a few, kung lagi mo sinasabi, it's always a challenge for us to do more. Alam niyo yun. So alam niyo na pinagbubuti, kahit wala nang ang boses, dahil wala nang ang tulog, dahil bukas na ang big day, pero kasi andyan kayo. Yun ang pinaka, andyan kayo.
Okay, so siguro another chance. So something personal. Gusto ko na malaman, sa isang katulad yung leader na napaka-effective. And considering that this is not just an event, but it's a very big event of a community here in Dubai, ano pong huling gagawin niyo bago matulog mamayang gabi? Ano pong unang gagawin niyo sa mga
Because lagi yan, kailangan bago ka matulog mag-alasal ka. Pagkagising mo ng mga sabi nga nila, di ba? Every gising is a blessing. So kahit na walang event, walang kalayaan, always make it to a point that we pray before we go to bed and we pray. kung ano man yung unang gagawin nyo, magdadasal tayo. Yun lang. Next.
Good job! Before we proceed with the next question, gusto ko lang din i-inform yung audiences natin na tomorrow, the other half of the Viva Artists na si Jerome Ponce will be joining us bukas po. Hindi lang niya naabutan yung press conference natin today because he had to celebrate his birthday with his family. Pero bukas na bukas po, if you wanna catch Jerome Ponce, andun po siya, makikisaya po siya along with Christian.
As we speak, nasa aeroplano, nasa Himpapawid, right? Okay. Next. Prince.
Hi Christian, for Christian. So how does it feel na from girl group to solo? Ano yung mga adjustments natin?
First of all, kasi sa group before, syempre, sa performances, parang madaling, pag may nahihirapan ako, meron ako mga tao na pupuntahan para magtanong. And also, pag may mali, hindi nakikita sa gilid. Charot. But kasi since solo ka, like all eyes on you, like no joke, like talagang makikita talaga yung mga ginagawa mo. And kapag may mali kang nuance or whatsoever, dapat din parang all eyes on you. May mga difference. So,
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you, Prince. Our next.
Jen.
Hello, Miss Krisha. Good afternoon. Welcome to Dubai.
thank you.
I just wanted to know, actually I haven't exit that, sorry. Who is your inspiration on Payapang Elephant? Yeah, I just wanted to know maybe someone or a thing, maybe somehow. So, that's all.
Yung song na Payapang Alampang, it was composed by the author of Safe Skies Archer University series. So, ang inspiration ko po dun sa song yun is of course Yana and Hero, their love, their relationship, their story.
It is a really good song actually. Thank you so much.
Mira.
Ayun nga, may chemistry siya ulit. Sabi nga ni Chris kanina is you came from a girl group. Tapos, syempre ngayon is solo ka na. Ano yung aabangan ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino sa'yo na kailangan nilang dapat abangan?
Well, more movies or more series with Jerome. And also, I'll be having my birthday concert in the Philippines though. Kasi magaling ako. Here. Anyway, but meron po akong birthday concert on October 12 sa Philippines po. So, ayun. It's a benefit concert.
Ems.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Dubai. Question ko po is, as we celebrate Kalayaan tomorrow, as you join us to celebrate, ano yung performances or yung mga handa?
Welcome to Dubai. Hello.
Take two. Good afternoon. Welcome to Dubai. Wala pa to.
Lakasan na nila.
Okay, good afternoon po. As we celebrate Kalayaan tomorrow,
ano yung performances or mga hinanda nyo para sa mga kababayan natin OFW dito sa Dubai and sa buong UAE kasi marami tayo talagang pupunta sa celebrate Kalayaan tomorrow.
Naghanda po kami ng solo performances. Ako and si Jerome. And also we have performance together. So, ayun,
Ayun. Okay, next. Willard.
Can I have somebody from Expat Media?
Hi, Krisha. Good afternoon and welcome to Dubai. Yes. You have a very huge following here in UAE. In fact, a lot of your fans have been messaging Expat Media ever since we ran the story about you coming here. So I just wanted to know what makes your love team with Jerome work and how does your dynamics work exactly?
Jerome, nasaan ka? Well, kasi kami naman kasi, kumbaga, what we feel, tapos we go with the flow, ganun lang. Tapos, we care for each other.
Yun na lang po.
Thank you.
Do you have somebody from the Philippine Times?
From the Filipino Times, we have somebody here.
Willard?
Roland, we have a question, Roland?
Narinig ko na lahat ng mga dapat itanong. Hindi, ano na lang yung bigyan mo kami ng sample para bukas. Bawal. Ako na lang. Miss Josie na lang!
Hindi sila tayo pinauwi.
Any more questions? Before tayo mag-proceed sa photo op natin with Tisha. Yes.
Yeah, one.
Okay. Miss Lisha, since nandito ka na sa Dubai, ano yung mga lugar kaya na gusto mo pang puntahan kung hindi pa napupuntahan?
Hindi ko sila mapuntahan kasi sobrang init pa sa akin.
Yes,
Kasi parang Miss Josie yun, may outfit pa ako for that. Kasi
Ang init eh.
maybe if I come back this winter.
Yes.
Ayun, winter daw.
Winter daw.
Nagkakalimutan yung Josie.
Pero gusto ko talaga makapunta sa Thailand. Everyone's photos there. Ayun po, it's very beautiful. So, kasi wala na naman desert sa Philippines. At first time kong makakakita ng desert. So,
Meron tayong one last question.
Premier Magazine. Premier.
Hi, Ms. Trisha. For all this busyness in life po, paano niyo po na-balance yung work and life po?
so far naman, after nung set break namin na waiting pa lang din naman yun. So parang, while wala yung mga shootings namin, that's when I do yoga and time with friends and family. Tapos kapag shoot ulit, diretso. So parang balance pa rin naman siya. At saka po yung mga RM ko sa
Salamat.
Salamat po sa kanila kasi nagpapasigat sila.
One last
question.
Hi, welcome to Dubai. Magtatagalin mo lang ako.
Tagalog.
So, what does your... English how does your typical morning routine look like in the first 2 hours? Like, what is your, routine?
My routine, in the morning, I try not to look at my phone. Because, meron akong nakita sa, actually on TikTok, I follow someone, na she said, when you wake up in the morning, you're still in your theta state. That means your subconscious mind is still, parang hindi alive. So, kumbaga, whatever you feed your mind in the morning, parang it's subconsciously nandun sa'yo. So, I try to, I meditate in the morning. And then, affirmations, ganyan. And then, I do my beauty rituals, like, I do, ano tawag? Yung lymphatic drainage massage, like,
That was supposed to be my second question actually. Your skin looks so nice. I want to know, what is your skincare routine?
hyaluronic acid.
Oh, that's nice.
I don't want to rush kasi makikita ko yung face ko.
Thank you so much.
May specific question in drops down.
Depende po sa laki.
Sa laki ng
Gusto yun! Totoo yun!
Alright, maraming salamat po. Saya mong kakulitan at kakwentuhan sa po natin si Christian Biara, ladies and gentlemen. Christian, one last thing, ito natin yung mga kabayan for tomorrow's event.
Ayan, mga kabayan po, sana po kayo ay dumalo sa June 10 bukas, June 9 and June 10. Bukas po, Kalayaan 2024. Kami po ay mag-performing Jerome Ponce dyan sa World Trade Center. Sana po ay magkasiyahan tayo bukas. Magkita-kita po tayo. Mahal ko po sa lahat.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's Christian, go ahead!
Commercial muna tayo for the live. Yung gusto mag-picture, verbal batch tayo.
Alright, so for those who want to take photos with Krisha, batches of 5 na lang tayo. So for those who want to participate, dito na lang yung pila if we haven't taken one. Straight line dito.
Okay, sa likod po. Compress po tayo na. Usog pa. Next 5, please. Bilisan natin.
Picture ako kayo? Pila ba kayo?
Ayan. Sinabi yung ginoong nasa likod yung ginoong. Ayan. Next po. Tingnan mo ha.
Bahala sila. Ako, Lord.
Okay na siya.
Okay na. The next, please.
O, smile kayo dyan. 1, 2, 3, smile. Asend ko na lang to. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Dito. Okay na.
Okay, next.
Okay, next group of 5.
Next group of 5, please. Thank you. Okay, next 5. Iba.
Here din po. 1 hour.
Thank you. Next, please.
Game, 1, 2, 3. Ay, wala pa. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Alright,
Isa pa.
next.
Inurong ko, tapos nilagay dyan dito.
Next, please.
baby bump.
Next
Picture mo na lang, conversan mo na lang.
Pero next kayo, hindi na.
Okay, let's wrap it up, please.
Ano po ang cellphone?
Okay, next please. Bilisan natin.
Ay, nasa. Ay, hindi naman sila isa.
Go ahead, please. Nandito na yung next natin na set. Alright.
Alright po.
And please have yourself seated.
Okay.
To the next part.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Elton? Okay. Okay na.
Okay na?
Ako din mo. Wait, one.
Okay, next. Last one, Hadi.
Okay, tapos ano na?
Last one, Hadi. Okay, thank you. Hadi. Elton.
Ako na.
Bilisan mo.
Okay, 1, 2. Jump shot.
Okay, last one, Elton.
Ilok mo daw.
Ah, excuse me.
Hey, check.
Okay, last two.
Palaging raps na last. Ito tayo eh.
Last one. Tapos na si ano?
Alright.
Hey, 1, 2, 3. Check.
Itatanong ako, ma'am. Ano nga lang? Sino naman?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Krisha.
Settle everyone. Wala pa. Okay, ready.
Alright, request everybody to take your seat as we are moving to the next artists.
Para sa crush ko.
Ladies and gentlemen, bumalik po tayo live na live dito sa Kalayaan 2024 Press Conference. And just a few moments ago, nakilala po natin ng mas malalim si Miss
Pamalakasan
Krisha.
ng Gemira.
And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to our next special guest. Alam ko naman na sobrang excited na po ang ating mga kababayan, both here, dito, live sa ating press conference area, as well as our live audiences that are watching us live na live ngayon. And before we get into that, maraming salamat po to our partners who have brought Kalayaan 2024 dito sa atin. Maraming salamat. Infinite Communities, Emirates Laws Philippines, and the Filipino Channel in partnership with Viva One.
pa ng love team nyo ngayon ni Kim po sa ibang love team na parang masadali.
Also, gusto ko namin pasalamatan ng aming platinum sponsors. We have BDO and Unibank, Emirates and BD, Philippine Airlines, Misfab Jewelry, and GCash. Malaking pasasalamat din po sa ating mga media partners. We have the Filipino Channel, Expert Media, the Filipino Times, the Global Magazine, and OFW Premier Magazine. Maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak po sa inyo sa aming invitasyon dito sa Kalayaan 2024. And hindi namin makakalimutan ang ating talented and creative partners from the social media influencers ng United Arab Emirates. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo. Ako sobrang excited na makilala ang ating next special set of guests. Sobrang thrilled na ako with the next celebrities na tatawagin here on stage. Alam ko na sobrang excited na din ang ating mga kababayan who's watching us live ngayon. Sobrang mainit po, sobrang thrilling yung vibe natin ngayon in our press conference area. Kaya naman, itong konting patikim pa lang because tomorrow we're gonna have a blast celebration po yan. Back-to-back performances ng ating mga Filipino entertainers showcasing the talent of Filipino people ng pagpapasaya at papremyo sa ating lahat. So, ano pang inaantay nyo? Invite your family, friends, co-workers, mga jowa at kung sino-sino pa to join us tomorrow in the Dubai World Trade Center sa Hall 1. Buong araw po tayo doon getting to know more about her, mga kapulitan lang, and we had so much fun exchanging conversations dito with our media influencers, social media influencers dito sa United Arab Emirates. It was great to know, no, the first time pala ni Krisha biyahe dito in the United Arab Emirates, at kahit summer na summer po, tirik na tirik po yung araw, the temperature couldn't be higher. We are glad na nag-enjoy siya dito sa Dubai, and we hope na experiences that she will have dito in the coming days, along with the Filipinos na makakasalamuhan niya in the coming days, would give her an even memorable experience in UAE. Pero nothing could be more memorable than the moment that you will give her then along with Jerome Ponce if and when you join her tomorrow sa kanilang performance kasama ng sorpresa in Versailles sa ating celebration ng 126th Philippine Defense Day Kalayaan.
What are your segments tomorrow? Ano mga segments nyo?
So, ang mga segments niya, gusto kong tanungin yung audiences natin kung which segments are they gonna be participating in, and ano yung things that they're looking forward to in particular. Dahil siya yung pinakamalapit dito, Kai Torre Flores, join me over. Alright. Kai, tanong ko lang, kasi alam ko na you're gonna be with GCash tomorrow. Yeah. So, tell us more. So, kung ano yung pwede mong mag-disclose sa amin ngayon? What do you have in store? What does GCash have in store sa atin bukas?
Ako nakaka-excite na dahil mamimigay ang GCash ng worth 100,000 peso worth of cash and prizes.
Oh, wow.
All they need to do, ang gagawin lang po nila, dalhin po nila ng passport. And make sure po na nakapag-download sila ng GCash, nakapag-register, at kailangan verified talaga. And not only that, syempre, magbibigay din ng instant cash ang GCash. Mag-visit lang po kayo sa GCash booth. Malapit lang po yan sa Emirates Lounge sa booth and Dubai Police.
Awesome, awesome. Isa yun sa mga abangan namin bukas. Thank you, Miss Kai. Thank you. Ngayon naman si Hadi, join me over here. My talented brother. Hadi, what's one thing that you're looking forward bukas sa celebration natin na Kalayaan 2024?
I think to the boy. I'm looking forward to the community because this isn't the first time time we do something like this. Like we as a community and businesses all come together. We have dancers, we have talent people, we have artists, and this is our day where we don't really celebrate Kalayaan. We celebrate being part of a community together. And I think that's the most important part of Kalayaan. What are you?
I'm gonna be mostly on stage getting busy with the on-stage and backstage people. But I like what you said, Adina. Although it says Kalayaan 2024, but it's not just really freedom from the oppressors, right? It's really freedom to express ourselves, freedom to have fun, and the most important thing is we celebrate that kahit wala tayo sa ating Kalayaan.
Bakit ako na nag-vlog? Hindi ko alam na ako. Ay, meron ako dyan. Meron ako. Meron ako. Mas maganda yan. Mas maganda yan.
Trying to make something out of small things. And that's the beauty of our Kalayaan event. We're celebrating diversity, we're celebrating creativity, we're celebrating talent. And that's what this event should be. And I think we have someone over here who wants to also talk about our future Kalayaan event. So, can you hear us?
Yes! Oh! Yes!
Alright, so natin siya more later. But at this point, ladies and gentlemen, ang pinaka-aabangan nating stars of tomorrow's event, no less than the two of the biggest stars in Philippine entertainment. Ang pinaka-aabangan sa pagbabalik na. Ladies and gentlemen, the stars of Linlang. And now, ang trending na What's Wrong with Secretary Kevin? Sabik na sabik tayong lahat na marinig ang boses ng ating mga stars from the Filipino channel. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome. Kim Chu and Paolo Aguilino.
Let's go, sis! Oh my God! Ay, grabe ba ako? Ang ganda ni Chinita! Secretary Kim! Secretary Kim!
Kim Chu and Paolo Aguilino.
BMC! Oh my God! Ay! 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 Ganda mo dyan. Napakaganda. Napakagwapo na siya. Ay! BMC! Secretary Kim!
Alright, Kim Pao as your more you want to greet our audiences live ngayon sa social media and dito sa event natin.
Yes, hello! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat na nandito.
Good afternoon!
Listeners ko. Ayun, nanonood online ba?
Yes!
Hapon sa inyo.
Alright, Paolo, we want to hear from you.
Yes, I just want to say good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon! BMC!
We're as excited as you guys perform for our Filipino community here tomorrow.
Grabe yung sexy ng boses.
Natin dito. As I was saying, hindi na makapagantay ang ating mga social media influencers. So yun, sino gusto mauna to ask question?
Starstruck na. Starstruck na po kami.
Kaya tayo. Go treat the Princess of Dubai.
Ako lang. Welcome po. Marami pong madlang people dito. Meron ba? Yan lang, thank you. Tanong ko lang po, for Miss Kim and Sir Paolo, formal, Arden. Sa inyo po, syempre po, di ba kayo po ang tinaguriang the dancing princess ng JBS. How do you brush your teeth? Ano po yung preparations ka before performance?
Siyempre, kabisaduhin yung sayaw, yung mabuti, pero at the same time, nakakabalik pa rin every time na sumasayaw ka on stage. Pero, ang preparation is, ano lang, dapat maayos lang yung isip mo na you're in front of many people and I have to do my best.
Yes. Kasi kilala po kayo sa mga, hindi lang po yung mga hip-hop, ganyan. Talagang lumalambigin po kayo. Di ba? Gusto ko din po yun, kaso nahulog ako.
Sabi ko next.
It's showtime.
Your showtime.
Ay, sige po. Susi pa, tsaka.
Pero dito daw yung tali.
Kinakatanta po kayo.
Hindi naman. Ay, ikaw lang. Kasi Dan.
Ay, kung alam nila kinakabahan po talaga ako.
Hindi, oo naman. Nakakaba naman.
Kayo naman po, Sir Paul, ang tanong ka naman po sa inyo, bakit po ang galing nyo magpakinig?
Hindi naman pakilig, pero alam niyo naman sa isang serye o pelikula dahil may script na sinusundan at
BMC, I love you!
may mga sinusundan rin na directions from the director. So, sinusundan lang namin yung pace, tapos tinatry lang namin i-enhance. Like for example, with me and Kim for Linglang and Secretary Kim, may constant effort lagi to make the scene work.
And then po yung second question ko, ano po yung, what's that? Kasi makabigay ko pa ako. Ano po yung kakaiba niya itong proyekto niya sa mga iba niya po yung proyekto?
Ako parang sabi ko nga sa taas, nakasabi ko lang na parang, ano ba yan? Parang puro rom-com na yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Parang nakakapanibago. Tapos, sinabi ni Kim na,
Masyado na kasi siyang serious. It's about time, di ba? Parang bagay naman siya rom-com, di ba po?
Bagay!
Mas bagay ko.
Iba-iba naman.
Mas bagay po kayo nung nakapit. Hindi na lang ako magtato. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ayun ang outfit.
Next.
Somebody from the Jedi, ano lang? Sige lang. Mami na yun. BMC,
Welcome to Dubai. Yeah, we're here from Spot Media. We're very happy to see you here in Dubai. Actually, yung mga fans ninyo, parating nag-message sa amin. Asking, kailan ba talaga sila mag-on stage? In fact, one group even reached out to us and say they really want to book the tickets for the tour bags so they can film you tomorrow. So that just shows us how big of a fandom you have, not just here in the UAE, but in the Philippines as well. And speaking of your fandom, one of the questions that I actually wanted to ask you was about your love team, like your on-screen love team. What do you think exactly makes it work? And bakit nga ba magaling kayo magpakilig sa tao? Hindi rin namin alam. Siguro sobrang galing lang talaga ng director namin. Tsaka naglalagay ng mga background music sa amin. And then, hindi namin alam kung bakit na sinusupport sa amin. Pero sobrang kaming thankful na nai-inspire namin sila and kinikilig sila sa amin dalawa. And maraming salamat din syempre na merong nabuong grupo na sumusuporta sa amin.
And to add to what Kim said, I think it's also yes, the constant effort on our part and maybe the willingness to collaborate with each other. Because maybe I'll give an example. We did ASAP Milan last year, and no one knew about Lina, no one knew about Sek Kim or anything yet. So lagi kong kausap si Kim. parang may performance tayo, parang paano natin ipapakita sa audience para abangan nila yung game namin paglabas sa TV. So there was really an effort also on our part to really try and make it work, because I mean, not every pair up is gifted with a gifted chemistry and on-screen chemistry. So I'm glad that I got to work with Kim, and she's very willing and open to collaborate and open for suggestions.
And for tomorrow, can you give us a sneak peek of what your fans can expect on stage sa Kalayaan 2024? Sayaw siya.
For tomorrow, I think we're doing. I'm doing 3 songs, and we're doing 2 duets.
That's good.
I don't think, well, maybe for the Kim Paos who have been following us. I don't think they'll see anything new, because I only have a pool of songs that I can sing. As I always say, I'm always an actor first, and everything after that is a bonus, unless they make me sing and act at the same time. But we'll try our best to para hindi kayo mabitin or mapasaya kayo for tomorrow. So
ako naman, yun nga, sabi ni Paolo, siguro they're gonna see me sing and dance and sing with Pao, and then call it chika-chika with the audience and everything, and then excited din kami to be with mga kababayan dito sa Dubai and makita namin sila and makapag-perform. Sana marami makapunta bukas. Sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat bukas.
May hinanda kasi yung mga set of influencers natin na pan-tropico. Ito pwede silang sumabay lang naman sa'yo.
Tingnan natin.
We have somebody from the Global Filipino Magazine.
Global Filipino Magazine?
Hi, Kim Pao. My name is JP from the Global Filipino Magazine. Welcome to Dubai. Here's our question po. Since after Barrio Fiesta, sina Fiona, Maris, and Francet, I think ang mga ka-global natin sa Gitang Silangan, they've all been waiting for sa Kim Pao. Yeah,
And the long way is finally over. Our request, our question po is, what is next after What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? And will it ever be considered for Kim Pao to do a movie project here, or will be shot here in Dubai? Kung possible lang.
Ano na nga yung pelikulang ginawa dati sa...
Dubai.
Angelica.
Yeah, Money and Love.
Money and Love. I love it. Coco Martin. And
Angelica and
Coco Martin, yes.
But for another project, for a movie project, probably there's a strong possibility that we might do it again.
Looking forward to that.
Strong possibility.
Abangan.
And as for parang yun po muna for now. Parang we have a lot of local shows also in the Philippines this year to give para mapasaya rin yung mga ibang kababayan natin sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas, and hopefully we get to perform for other Filipino communities in other countries. Isa sa mga favorite talagang nagpo-perform sa ibang bansa dahil ano siya parang melting pot ng buong Pilipinas. Kumbaga may taga-Luzon, taga-Visayas, taga-Mindanao, so parang lahat nakakasalamuha mo, nakakausap mo. So it's always a treat and a pleasure to perform for kababayan sa pamilya.
Thank you, Kim Pao.
Somebody from the Premier Magazine.
Premier Magazine.
Hi po. Questions po, as an aspiring content creators or artist po, like, paano po mag-start? Paano mag-build yung confidence sa pagiging actress?
same problem when we start, parang we don't have the confidence. But you know, with repetition and knowledge, parang comes the confidence. If you know what you're doing and you're confident about if you're sure about what your content is or what your talent is and what you want to showcase, then maybe you can start there and slowly build your confidence. Pero ako hanggang ngayon parang kabado pa rin ako sa mga ganyan. Pero you know, I just parang kumbaga sa pag-arte, we have a material, we know our environment. Just be familiar, familiarize yourself with it. You know, parang sino ba? Si Jake parang favorite niya yung sinasabi, Jake Wang, favorite niya yung sinasabi yung repetition, because it actually helps. Parang rehearsing with yourself, rehearsing the lines, rehearsing the dance steps, rehearsing your spills. Parang doon na ayos, doon mo nakikita. And maybe you could always record yourself also to see kung paano mo gustong i-portray sa audience yung content. I hope that helps.
Ako naman, siguro the simplest way to explain yung tanong mo is just to keep on trying. Kasi masyado naman malawak yung mundo ng social media or masyado malawak yung mundo ng showbiz world. Kung saan ka yung, alam mo yung missing puzzle, pag kung saan ka fit na fit, dun mo aralin at dun ka gagaling talaga. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Our next question will come from...
Last two tayo.
Last two questions.
Mira.
MC?
May hapon.
May hapon. Masaya rin ka.
Yes.
Daghan, no? Daghan mo ganit. Daghan. Masaya ang daitaan eh. Tagalog, dili na siya sabo.
Gamay ra. Gamay ra.
Pero di lang ako.
Ken, may ang aking question. Meron ka bang ganggit dyan na pagkala?
Hindi niya ako kasunod din eh. Ibahan na.
May meron.
Ay, yung question ko Ken is I assume na first time mong magkalayaan dito sa Dubai. So, ang question ko is, ano yung pinaka-look forward mong mangyayari bukas sa kalayaan nila?
Actually, Kalayan event, syempre, daghan, Bisaya or Tagalog, syempre, looking forward sa maraming Pinoy na makikita namin and magsasayahan tayo, magtatawanan, and parang kami ni Pao, parang second time namin magkasama na nag-perform dito sa Dubai. Yung una, hindi pa talaga kami magkakilala. So parang after 9 years, nandito ulit kami to perform in front of our kababayan. So exciting.
We look forward for tomorrow. Siguro like what I've said earlier, pero melting pot lagi yung mga ganitong events. And parang nakakatuwa kasi parang alam naman natin, di ba, sa kahit saan yung lahi or maybe sa atin rin, minsan watak-watak tayo. Yung mga ganitong events yung natitipon-tipon sa atin para sa unity natin and to make everyone united and also network with each other and familiarize with ourselves. So I'm looking forward to that.
Last question.
Ayan, magandang hapon sa inyo. Magandang hapon. Kay Mayong hapon. Nice to see you. Okay, we are celebrating Philippine Independence Day. So as we celebrate this Independence Day, how do you both perceive the significance of freedom in your roles as public figures and artists? And how do you think the spirit of independence influences your writing and interactions with your audience?
Sabi ko na nga ba?
No. I thank you.
Sorry, ano po yung last?
Ayan. How do you think the spirit of independence influences your creative works and interactions with your audience?
Our independence is very important for any line of work, because it doesn't just, it gives you freedom to not to do whatever you want, but it gives you freedom to explore and show who you really are without boxing yourself too much. And when it comes to, sorry, what was the first question? You
Napaisip tuloy si Pao.
Bisaya, please.
Hindi kasi naisip ko lang, independence kasi. So as a public figure, or both of you are public figures, so paano nyo to incorporate ba sa inyong pagkakuan, sa inyong pagka-artista, sa mukha po, uy. Sa inyong pagka-artista rin, sa ninyo nga kanang ma-influence ninyo yung mga audience, yung creative works, inana.
Bisaya, di mo siya din.
When it comes to work, we're one of, I would say we're also a very lucky country, because we have so much freedom to say what we want to say and do what we want to do, and I think it transcends in all our in each line of work, especially on our entertainment industry, dahil you can really express like these kinds of movies, these kinds of films, these kinds of series, and really show what you want to say without being able to move freely or without being given the independence. And I think it's very important, especially with our filmmakers. I'm sure, sigurado ako, not a lot of you guys get to see some really nice Filipino movies, independent Filipino movies that are being made, which have like strong, na malalakas yung mga statements regarding issues about our country. So it's one of my hopes also that maybe these kinds of films and these kinds of talents are also shown throughout on our sa mga community natin throughout the world, especially here in the Middle East na malakas yung Filipino press.
Thank you.
Ako naman, ako naman, independence and how I inspire other people and how do I show it dito sa showbiz world. Siguro, masaya tayo that we have our, parang ang Philippines kasi is a democratic country. We have the freedom of speech, kahit anong pwede natin gawin, huwag lang talaga tayo makakasakit ng kahit na sino. Physically. Pero, sobrang colorful ng showbiz world. And then, yung individuality namin is very colorful. As malaya kaming gawin kung ano yung gusto namin gawin, malaya kaming pumili ng kahit na anong project na gusto namin gawin, sayaw na gusto namin gawin, lahat. So, independence is very important. And then, dapat alam din natin yung self-worth natin. And we have also to be careful din na kasi syempre nasa public figure kami, showbiz world, so maraming nakatingin or nakatingala. So, cautious din kami sa mga kinikilos namin at pinapakita para makapag-inspire din kami in a good way sa ibang tao. Thank you so much.
To add another, to add one more thing, I think parang with independence also comes the freedom to explore and find what you really want. Parang minsan kasi pag masyado tayong kinakahon or wala tayong independence and the freedom to move and explore what we want to do, parang hindi mo alam kung para sa'yo talaga yung career na to or line of work na to kung hindi mo nasusubukan at hindi mo na-explore at hindi ka binibigyan ng malawak na oportunidad para explore yung mga ibang options. Like you guys are here.
Now, last set of questions from galing sa one of the partners that have brought Kalaya 2024 Emirates Lost Philippines, which is represented by JC.
So, yung ating
Independence Day celebration ay regalo ito ng host country natin, United Arab Emirates. We are 1 million Filipinos dito eh. So, we are very blessed na tayo ay sinusuportahan na magkaroon tayo ng ating celebration ng 126th Philippine Independence Day. Sa ibang bansa, wala silang celebration na ganito. But since we are a very big community dito, ang gobyerno ay lagi tayong sinusuportahan. Kaya palakpakan naman natin. Then, all, nagpapadala tayo ng mga artista, syempre, coming from our how do you call it, solid na partner, the Filipino Channel. Ito. Kaya naman napapasaya natin ang libo-libo natin mga kababayan. Lahat ng tanong na ibinigay sa akin, natanong nun ha. Isa na lang talaga. When you learn that you will be coming here sa Dubai to celebrate with the Filipino community para sa ating kalayaan 2024, ano yung pinaka-nilook forward nyo? Apart from, syempre by default, talaga mapapasaya kayo ng mga kababayan natin. Is there something na talagang gusto nyo puntahan, gusto nyo gawin dito sa United Arab Emirates?
Well, I thought for us, aside from the beautiful attractions that Dubai has and UAE has, what really excites me the most is talking to our fellow OFWs, our Filipinos here, and getting to know their stories. Minsan kasi parang may malungkot, minsan may masaya, at minsan parang nakakatuwa. Parang ito rin kasi yung rason kung bakit gumagawa ng pelikula yung mga tao. And gusto nila magbigay, may gusto rin silang storya na sabihin. So, ang pinaka-excite nakaka-excite po sa akin talaga is really talking to our fellow Filipinos who are currently living in the country where I live.
Gusto nila?
Yes.
So, wala ng picture usap na lang.
Pinaka-last na po.
Ako naman, nung nalaman ko na magpo-perform kami dito sa Dubai, first time namin to ni Paolo mag-show abroad after Linlang and Secretary Kim. And then, yun nga nalaman namin na yung mga viewers ng Linlang, mataas yung viewers sa Prime Video dito sa... Sana makita namin sila bukas. Laging number 1 sa Dubai, Qatar. So parang sobrang kaming excited na bukas.
Parang feeling ko tuloy maraming kinakabahan ng mga may mga asawa ba kayo sa Pilipinas?
Marami may Juliana dito. Tapos yun lang, we're very excited.
Sabi ko mas gusto ko makipag-usap kasi.
Yes!
Ano tayo mong picture sa
I can see we have Philippine Airlines head still here. Do you want to ask a question?
Nilipat po kami doon para marami ko sa
Paolo and Kim, welcome back to Dubai. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung flight niyo. You mentioned na nandito na kayo before, ano? So, tatanong ko lang, ano yung nagbago mula nung huli kayong bumisita tsaka ngayon na pagbalik niyo? Kasi di ba, ang daming nangyayari. So,
so ano na yung mga nagbago na napansin ninyo mula na pagdating niyo? Friday.
2015.
Wala pa kami masyado nakikita. Parang kagabi lang kami dumating.
Yeah.
So parang wala nothing much to explore pa.
Pakikita pa lang.
Palang.
Okay.
First of all, thank you sir for sponsoring our flight. Ang una ko napansin, parang mas dumami yung mga Filipinos dito sa Dubai and UAE. Ayun, mas traffic na nga.
Dahil dami
Yun lang
sasakyan.
po yun. Maybe pag naka-expire ka kami ng konti, then we can form more definite answer.
Ay, yung mic. Ay, wala na. Hello, Kim Pao. So, super fan nyo ako sa what's wrong with Secretary Kim. So ngayon, ang tanong ko po, ano po yung difference no different partner niyo po sa love team, sa other? Hindi ko na po ma-mention eh. So, sa ngayon po. Yung previous love. Yes, yung previous niyo po ngayon. So, ano po yung pinagkaiba doon sa other love team niyo po? Sa both po
Sabi ka siyempre leading lady. Ito naman. Tulog sales ka agad. Oh my God. First time namin magka-work ni Paolo, actually, nagkakilala lang talaga kami last year, fully. At tagal na namin dito sa showbiz industry, pero hindi talaga kami nag-uusap or magkakilala or personally kwentuhan. Literal na last year lang talaga. So, with Lynn lang. So, first time din namin magka-work and magka-umarte sa project. So, ang daming bagong adjustment. Pero surprisingly, hindi naman ako nahirapan with Paolo dahil sobrang galing naman siya umarte. Sobrang hasana po siya sa kahit na anong role. So, ayun, natuwa naman ako. And with Secretary Kim naman, medyo kinabahan ako na kaya naman mag-rom-com kasi parang serious actor siya. So, mga deep acting. Itong babaw na. Sa taas. So, parang nagulat ako sa pinakita niya. So, yung range niya as an actor is very, extreme rights. Ang galing niya talaga as an actor. So, hello, idol.
Ito na yung 50 dirhams. Difference from the others. First time kong may makatrabaho na hindi nauubusan ng energy. Hindi siya nauubusan ng energy in a good way. Dahil nakakahawa. Hindi lang para sa akin, kundi pati sa mga taong nakakasalumuhan namin sa set. And ayun, I'm happy I got the chance to work with Kim dahil kumbaga bago sa akin itong rom-com and everything, but you know, I always like to be challenged by different roles, and medyo na-challenge ako ng konti dito sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim dahil sa pagkakasulat rin, medyo hindi ko kinailangan talaga ng maraming preparation.
Maraming luha.
Si Sir Paolo po kasi kumuha na ng Goyong ang Batang Mineral. Kung bibigyan po ng pagkakataon at tungkol ulit sa history, tapos kapartner mo si Kim, ano po yung gagawin mo sa tingin mo?
Rizal.
Yung pangarap mo yung dalawa.
Mahirap dahil ang dami na rin nagawa kasi, pero medyo tragic.
Lapu-lapu.
So, ang hirap. Minsan kasi, ang hirap po yung pelikula ng mga history natin or ng mga magagandang literature natin like si Florante at Lau, more modern form. Hindi nyo alam yung Florante at Lau.
Alam mo.
Marami actually. Maybe that's one, but for now, excited akong gumawa ng mga modern stories dahil napakaraming nangyayari sa mga buhay natin ngayon. At ang daming magandang kwentong pwedeng gawin ng pelikula. But given the chance to do another historical film or another period film, I just wanted to be nice and parang gusto ko na paghahandaan ng mabuti. Ikaw ang unang mga kailangan pag hindi kasi
Since Alam mo, hindi ko na talaga alam. Hindi siya ganyan. Nandito kayo sa Regalitas. We are very honored na nandito kayo. Especially me. Dugtungan niyo lang yung sasabihin nito. Malaya na ako sa... For the both of you.
Malaya na ako sa...
Malaya na ako sa blank.
Malaya sa akin.
Kim.
Autopass. Go, Pao.
Malaya na ako sa, syempre, negativity.
Power! Si Paula naman.
Yun rin po, naunahan niya lang po.
Kaya-kaya.
Wala na po ang ibang maisip.
Meron.
Ako isipin mo okay lang.
Ano bang gusto niyo sabihin?
Wala kang pa rin.
Miss Emil Portia.
Miss Emil.
Okay, hindi na ako okay na yan. Okay, hindi. I will no longer ask questions but a gratitude. Want to thank Puti? Ay, Josie. Puti ang tawag ko sa kanya kasi ano ko yun. Sa binibigay nilang saya every year na meron tayong kalayaan. And of course, the TFC na palagi nagbibigay ng mga artista dito.
Yun!
Kasi nagiging parte kayo ng araw-araw namin buhay. Kasi, like after work, una kami manonood ng kanilang lintang, very effective naman si Kim. And thank you very much. Pero, so, pag gagawin ko, nainis ako sa'yo, lilipat ako sa'yo. Kay Paolo, since modesto ka, tagal na nun, ano? So, lagi kitang pinapanood. And I like your role and I like yung pag-acting mo. And talagang fan mo kami. Alam ko yan. Thank you very much.
Alright, so I think I speak in behalf of every Filipino na we're very grateful kasi hindi na kayo nagpapasaya eh. Your creativity brings a piece of home away from home. Kaya maraming salamat po extending your talent para sa aming lupang overseas Filipinos. And with that, gusto namin, do you want to invite our Filipinos para sa ating event at kasiyahan tomorrow?
Can I say a quick word? I want to thank everyone here as well and for all the shows we're gonna perform in also tomorrow because as much as we inspire everyone here or maybe lessen your homesickness, you also inspire us. Like I said, I like hearing your stories dahil minsan hindi mo maiwasan na sabihin sa sarili mo na kung ibang tao kaya nilang iwan at magsakripisyo at gawin lahat para sa mga minamahal nila sa buhay o para ikaganda ng buhay nila. Paano pa kami? So thank you also for being inspirational.
Last question!
Kim, di mo na invite our friends and kakababayan sa tomorrow?
Yes, mabisi ako.
Yes.
Ugma, magkita kita ka-ugma, maglingaw-lingaw, taka-jut, limto na to atong mga kakapoy, atong mga problema. Ugma, let's enjoy. And June 9, and please don't forget to watch finale week na din ng Linlang this week. And also Secretary Kim sa View. Pero nasa TV pa rin kami. Paparad ba yun dito? Every Saturdays and Sundays. Maraming salamat for supporting Linlang. What's wrong, Secretary Kim? Magkita-kita taog.
Thank you to everyone. May live ba? Yes! Live. Yes, bukas na po sa World Trade Center, Rashid,
Said.
Said Hall 1. Said Hall 1, nandyan po kami, magpo-perform po kami. At kung gusto niyo pong ikutin yung mga vendors natin to see the booths, at kung para makita kung may photo ops or makita kung may mga ibang mga services na makakatulong sa inyo dito habang nandito kayo. Pumunta lang po kayo dyan, makita po tayo.
Alright, and that's sa maraming palakpakan for Gipsy! Kaya mga kababayan, konting-konting lang po yan because tomorrow will be the big day. Abangan po namin kayo bukas. Dubai World Trade Center sa Hall 1. Isang buong araw po tayong magsasaya kasama ang isa't isa. And of course, with Kinshu and Paula Bilino. And with that, we're signing off. See you tomorrow for Kalayaan 2024!
Labo-labo.
The same groups of 5 times please, I'd like to have one line here.
Mystic ko! Gawin na ako niyo! Mag-congrats ka, smile.
Group of
5. Magpipicture na po tayo.
Apo, picture na po tayo.
One line dito.
Doon sa mga ano yung fishbowl natin. So,
Parang lang po tayo sa ikot.
line na tayo. Line lang.
Ito lang po yung line natin para makapagpa-share.
Kasi wala muna para matapos tayo. Wala muna sa cellphone. Hintay mo na natin yung yung batch natin. For 5, okay?
And pila-pila. Ito po ang picture. Thank you po.
First 5. Okay, grupo daw sila.
Smile po.
Bukas naman na ulit. Usinger bukas. Are you still going? Take a picture? Is it already?
Salamat po.
Wala pa ako ng...
Okay na po? Official? Okay. Okay, next po.
Hi to Expat Media. Expat Media. Expat Media.
Pasok dito. Yes po. Okay. Smile na po dito, official. Sino ba yung nandyan? Sino pa po yan?
Sino pa? Sino pa?
Last batch po kasi.
Please, kasi pa tayo, refrain from doing self-esteem.
Diretso na po tayo. Dito last batch na. Last batch na. Okay. Next batch po. Okay, next. Next batch po. Wala na selfie. Ma'am, wala na po. Thank you. Sorry. Ma'am, ano po kalala mo? Smile po. Okay, multimedia team.
Multimedia.
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 Multimedia, pasok. Multimedia, pasok. Multimedia, pasok. 1, 2, 3. Multimedia, Multimedia, last one. Ito, pala po. Nasa po yung official natin. Nawala, di ba? Sila yung nawala.
Usod kayo ng kamay. Sige, Ma'am B.
Dito po siya. Official po tayo. Mga bamser.
Baba ka, Bon. Hindi nakita si ano. Isa pa. Ma'am, ito, pasuyo. Official na si Ma'am B.
Sorry ah. Ako na anak. Okay. Kasama ka. Oo, di ay yung sponsor ng ano kanina, mabuhay.